stage to offer his congratulatory remarks.
Thank you, Nathalie. Good evening, everyone. Graduates, families, esteemed colleagues, and honored guests. It is a tremendous honor to be here and welcome you at this graduate award ceremony for our master's and doctoral students who have distinguished themselves not only through outstanding academic achievement, but also through exemplary leadership and dedication throughout their time at Stevens Institute of Technology. A celebration of excellence, perseverance, and leadership. To our honorees, congratulations. Tonight, we recognize you not only for your outstanding academic performance, but also for your remarkable leadership, initiative, and service during your time at Stevens. You have set a high standard for what it means to be a graduate student at this institution, and you have done so with brilliance, integrity, and heart. You have mastered your disciplines, contributed original research, and elevated those around you. Many of you led research groups, built communities, and made lasting impacts on our campus. These are not small accomplishments. They are indicators of the kind of professionals and people you are becoming. As you leave Stevens and embark on the next chapter of your journey, I want to offer you a few pieces of advice. First, remain grateful. Never forget the people who helped you get here, your family, your mentors, your peers, and those who quietly supported you when things got tough. Gratitude keeps us grounded and reminds us of our shared humility. Second, lead with humility. Your degrees are hard-earned, and your achievements deserve recognition. But the most effective leaders are those who listen first, learn continuously, and remain humble enough to grow. Third, embrace change. The world is evolving faster than ever. This is not an overstatement. This is most likely an understatement. And the skills that brought you success today may not be the ones that you will need for tomorrow. Be open to new ideas, be willing to pivot, and courageous in the face of uncertainty. And finally, develop and nurture your network. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, believe in you, and help you see the best in yourself. I encourage you to actively seek out your VIPs, your very important people. These are your VIPs, okay? These are the mentors, collaborators, colleagues, and friends who will inspire you, support you, and shape your journey for years to come. As you go forward, I also invite you to remain engaged with Stevens. This university is not just where you studied, it's a community you will always be part of. Our institution grows stronger when its alumni remain an active part of its fabric by sharing your experiences, mentoring future students, collaborating in research and innovation, or simply being present as part of the extended Stevens family. Stay connected, return to campus, mentor a student, join a research collaboration. Your continued presence strengthens our institution and inspires future generations of graduate students. We are all extremely proud of everything you have accomplished, and we are even more excited to what is going to happen, you are going to become. Congratulations once again. Go forward with gratitude, with humility, with courage, and with the knowledge that you will always have a home here at Stevens. Thank you.